बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह। I am MD Didarul Alam, Assistant Teacher, Amragasia High School, Matbaria, Firozpur. I hope all the students are well. Today I teach you English first paper in class 6, lesson 22. Wonders of the World, Part 1, the Taj Mahal. At first I discuss word meaning. Wonder, surprise, tomb, grave, located, situated, behind, back, completed, finished, ancient, old, emperor, king, combine, connect. Now I read the text. Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. It is a white marble tomb. Located in Agra in India. Do you know the story behind Taj Mahal? The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz more than his wife. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. Mumtaz died an early age. Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. It is the place where Mumtaz is sleeping forever. The Taj Mahal has an area of about 1,003 acres or 405 hectares. The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture. It combines the art of Persia, Turkey and India. It took 21 years and thousands of artisans and craftsmen to complete the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is universally admired as one of the wonders of the world. However, now I discuss about true false. Emperor Akbar built the Taj Mahal. False. Correct answer. Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. B. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra in India. True. The Taj Mahal is a black marble tomb. False. Correct answer. The Taj Mahal is a white marble tomb. D. Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal as a token of his love for his daughter. Make answer. Mumtaz died an early age. Make answer. Choose the right answer from the alternatives. What is the area of Taj Mahal? 405 hectares, 406 hectares, 504 hectares, 409 hectares. Answer 405 hectares. B. The Taj Mahal was built the death of Mumtaz. Before, after, with, on. Answer after. Which country's art is not combined in it? Iraq, Turkey, India. Make answer. The word Wonder means surprise. Token Tom. Make answer. Answer the following questions. What is the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal is a white marble tomb built on the grave of Mumtaz Mahal, wife of Emperor Shah Jahan of Delhi. B. What is the other name of the Taj Mahal? Answer. The other name of the Taj Mahal is the Taj. How many workers worked to build in it? How many years? Make answer. What is the Taj Mahal example of? Make answer. Make a short paragraph. Taj Mahal. Thanks to all. Assalamu alaikum.